Rapid fire answers coming your way. What's today's burning question? Let's find out. How long can you keep a frosted cake in the fridge? You can keep a frosted cake in the refrigerator for up to 1 week. Ensure the cake is stored in an airtight container to maintain freshness and moisture. This applies particularly to cakes with meringue-type buttercream frosting, which consists of beaten egg whites, sugar, and butter. Another mystery solved, but many more await. Keep up with our daily discoveries by subscribing and turning on notifications.